How to enable biometric login in SafePal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're using SafePal and looking to make your wallet more secure and easier to access, here's how you do it. First things first, open the SafePal application on your device and make sure you're logged in. From the home page or the wallet page of SafePal, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top left corner. Once you're inside the settings menu, click Security. Now, click on the Fingerprint or Face ID option depending upon your device. On the next page, toggle on the button right next to for a login or for a signature. You can turn both of them on if you want extra security. Now go ahead and enter your password or your security password to confirm and click allow in the pop-up to enable Face ID or biometrics. Right after you do that, your Face ID or Touch ID will scan. Just follow the on-screen instructions and once done, you can now unlock SafePal quickly using your fingerprint or Face ID. No need to type in your password every time. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you and stay tuned.